Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to build your profile on LinkedIn and how you can use LinkedIn effectively to get a job, to build your online profile, or to show off your skills or certifications. So we are going to talk about LinkedIn in this video. Stay tuned and let's start. So let's start with what LinkedIn is. So LinkedIn is a social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, but this is for professional people. It means you can search for jobs here, you can follow your dream companies or organizations, and you can follow the people. You can build your own network. So suppose you are a graphic designer and you want to connect with other graphic designers or the companies like Adobe and all, so you can do that. I'm a network engineer, so I would like to connect with more network engineering people or cybersecurity or cloud people. You can easily find a job, like you can find many jobs on LinkedIn. Some of them will be legitimate, some of them will not be legitimate, but this is a great platform for searching for a job, because in this pandemic 2020 many people have lost their jobs and they are still finding many ways to earn some money or start a business. So LinkedIn, I would say, is a great place to start with your online profile. So suppose somebody asks what kind of job you do, what are the fields you are interested in, you can just share them your LinkedIn profile and they will get to know that, okay, this is the kind of person he is or she is. LinkedIn is a great platform to showcase your work. Different social media platform, although you can build your profile like on Facebook, on Twitter, you can share what you are learning and all those things. But LinkedIn is a go-to place for professional people who would like to connect with you, or if you are doing some freelancing kind of stuff, so you can document your whole journey, what are the processes you are using and all these things in LinkedIn. We are going to see that what are the different kind of features and how to make your profile. I'm going to show you my profile, and let's see. My profile is kind of, I think it is intermediate, not advanced, but yeah, I regularly use LinkedIn, so I use LinkedIn more than my Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, because in LinkedIn there is no like political content. All the content, all the companies, all the people I follow are related to networking, network community or cloud community or cybersecurity community. My LinkedIn feed is almost like a go-to place for what are the new technologies companies are using. So all these things you can find on LinkedIn. It is very easy and it is a great place to start your career. I recently got job, and that was also because I used LinkedIn regularly. Otherwise, I would have no idea that this job is coming. I can seek referral from this kind of person. So all these things can also happen in LinkedIn. So make sure that you are connecting with right people. Like the people, if you are from networking background or from cybersecurity background, make sure that you are connecting with the people who are from that background or who are experts in those fields. So suppose I want to do an AWS certification or some CCNP certification or some CCIE certification. So I can see on LinkedIn that all the people who already have their CCIEs or CCNPs or some kind of certification like Security Plus, and I can take help from those people. I would say that networking community is or InfoSec community overall is a very great community online. You can take a lot of help from the people because you can connect people from all around the globe, and it will definitely help you to build your communication skills, your like how to approach a person who you don't know. So all those kind of skills like communication skills, if you are working for or any organization in the world, you need those skills in your day-to-day job or day-to-day life. So LinkedIn is a great platform to have all those skills. So let's go over to my laptop and I will show you how, like what are the different features in LinkedIn and how you can use them. So this is my LinkedIn profile. This is my name, I work and where I live, and all these details. So first of all, please make sure that you are not using any kind of weird pictures or selfies. Make sure that you use a professional picture or a picture which is related to your domain. Like mine in network engineering, so all the, like, this background is also 1 and 0s, binaries. So yeah, and you can type your about anything. I'm Cisco certified network associate with deep interest and passion for technology. And don't try to put like some random adjectives over here. Like, only put those things which you can show on your interview, during your interview, or during your job. Don't put any false claims here. And this is a featured section where you can feature your achievement or your any post which people can see if they click on your profile. So like, you can post your resume here also, and make sure that you are not sharing any personal details here. And you can share your experience, and you can document your journey. So share your learning experience. Suppose like this post I can refer to, which is following CompTIA Pentest Plus path on TryHackMe, just achieve 7-day streak, and it is the best platform. So you can share these kind of your learning journey or your learning experiences with people over LinkedIn. So this is a great platform to share your learning experience. Although you can use Twitter, but this is like more kind of professional platform, so you can use all kind of hashtags and all. And now there is an story section also, which you can if you are using LinkedIn app, you can use it from there. And if you are completing any kind of certification or any kind of exam, you can share that detail, that how you achieved that and what are those certification are helping you. Like this one, I completed the command line and Python 3 course from Codecademy. So I shared that why I learned this and how this is going to help in the future. And like, I put the thanks to Chuck Keith, who recommended these courses to me. So you can put these kind of stuff over LinkedIn. And if I go again back to my profile, then you can share all kind of certification. And there is a new feature where you can take LinkedIn skill assessment. For like AWS, I took that, and it will give you one like LinkedIn assessment badge kind of thing. So you can show to a recruiter. And all the courses you have learned, like all these courses from different kind of platforms I've learned, all the languages, projects you can show. You can share your GitHub. Like if I click here and if I open in a new tab, it will redirect me to GitHub repository where the project is located. So you can share all these kind of things, so that anybody who want to give you a job can go to your LinkedIn profile and see, okay, these are the things which you have done. You can see my interest, all the companies which I'm interested working in. So all these kind of things you can share on your LinkedIn and make that make this aesthetic. Don't just like some random post. Only like those posts which you are really like related to your job or related to something. Don't just go on LinkedIn and like every single post. So just try to maintain the decorum of the platform also, and of yourself. And if you go to this job section, so here you can see all the recommended jobs, product manager, Cisco, Google, American Express. So you can directly apply from like these jobs section on LinkedIn. So this is very helpful. And if you are like want to seek any referral, so you can just directly search on your network, or go to your home page and just search for that person and ask them. And yeah, this is a basic LinkedIn. Like my profile is very basic, so you can take help from many other YouTube videos. to how to make your profile more aesthetic. And so there are some limitations or cautions also while using LinkedIn. First one, if you are applying for a job or if you are connecting with some people, suppose an HR is offering a job position to you, like suppose I want to become a network engineer, and someone on the LinkedIn, I got a message that you are offered a network engineering position. So be aware of those kind of people who can trap you or scam you, maybe. So be aware of those kind of people. And second, I will definitely say that please don't share your personal details like phone numbers or email IDs. Make a secondary email ID or tertiary email ID, any other email ID, make a new email ID and connect or share that email ID. Don't share your actual email ID which may be linked to your bank account or bank detail. Don't share your personal phone number. Maybe you can apply for a new phone number or cell phone number and share that with the recruiter or anybody on the LinkedIn directly. Don't share your personal phone numbers, personal profiles, because this can be a security risk for you, because many people on LinkedIn can take advantage of those contact information. So be aware of those. This is a limitation or downside of LinkedIn or any social media platform in general. So please be aware of those. And this is it for this video, and I would like to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one with my CCNA or AWS, some kind of technical video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.